Before you begin this course, there are a few things you should know to be able to effectively navigate. The Course Navigator provides access to the sections and topics within the course. At any time, you can use this menu to navigate to any section or topic. Clicking on a section title reveals the topics within. The topics are listed below the section title. They currently have a gray circle beside them indicating they have not yet been visited. After you have explored the contents, you will find a Mark Complete button at the bottom of the topic page. When you click this button, you will be moved automatically to the next topic. Your progress in the section is indicated in two places. In the Course Navigator, the gray circle beside the topic will turn green once the topic is marked complete. There is also a progress bar below the section title indicating the number of topics that you have marked complete within the current section. As you progress through the section, the progress indicators will update. Near the end of each section is a short quiz. To begin the quiz, click the Start Quiz button. The quiz is made up of multiple choice questions based on the section's content. After completing the quiz, you can reattempt the quiz or review your questions. When you are ready to progress to the next section, you must click the Mark Complete button, as in any other topic within the course. This will take you to the next section. Notice the green triangle beside the section name indicating that this section is complete. After completing a section, you will be awarded a badge, which you can view in the Badges area. Once you have completed all the sections and passed the final quiz, you will be provided a link to download your certificate. You will be allowed 3 attempts on the final quiz and must obtain 80% or higher to pass the course. Your certificate contains your name and your newly assigned Registry ID number. We encourage you to proudly say, "I rent it right," by displaying your digital sticker on your website, emails, or publications. To access your sticker, go to My Profile. There are 2 ways to use your digital sticker. You can select the sticker and save it as an image to use as needed. If you would like to embed your sticker in a web page, you can also use the displayed code. It's now time to get started. Enjoy the course!